Hi everyone! Welcome to another episode of Foodie Pinoy. Today, we're going to cook Pansit Miki or Stir Fried Egg Noodles. This dish is commonly served as snack or main dish. We can call this Pansit Guisado, pampahaba ng buhay mo. Let's proceed with the cooking. We will need 400 grams round Miki or egg noodles, 1/2 head of cabbage, 10 pieces Baguio beans cut into strips, 1 large carrot cut into strips, 200 grams shrimp, separate the head from the body, 200 grams pork, 1 large onion, 6 cloves garlic, 3 tablespoons soy sauce, and 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. Boil the shrimp head. You can press the head gently to extract the flavor. Drain and set aside. Heat oil in a pan. And stir fry the pork until brown. Then, saute the garlic and onion. Add the shrimp stock. Season with soy sauce, and pepper. Bring to boil and add the Miki. Stir for 1 minute. Immediately add the beans, cabbage, carrots, and shrimp. Stir for another 3 minutes or until shrimp and vegetable are fully cooked. Here's our Pansit Miki Guisado. Looks appetizing, right? Enjoy! Hi guys! Did you like this recipe? Let us know in the comment section below. Hit like if you enjoyed this video. This will help us know that you are enjoying our content. If you haven't subscribed yet, click subscribe button and make sure to click also the bell icon so you'll get notified once we release new videos. Until next time, this is Foodie Pinoy saying goodbye and it's a wrap!